Hello YouTubers. Today I installed rocks risers on my Pan American Special. So let's go over what I did and how I did it. I received a package. So we're going to open it and see what's inside. And inside, I have rocks risers. So now, let's go over to the bike and get them installed. Well, the first thing we do is place a thick towel on the tank to prevent any scratching. Then we get a T45 Torx to remove those 4 bolts. Now, when the handlebar is a little loose, let it drop down on the tank. When you remove this, you will note that there's some white lines on the handlebars. And this ensures that those handlebars are centered. So when you replace the handlebars, make sure that you have these things lined up so that your handlebars are centered. We remove the handlebars, just gently take them out of there and move them back so that we have room to work. Next, we install the rocks risers where the handlebars used to be, and to do this we use the brackets, the handlebar mounting brackets that were previously used on the bike. We then tighten the top screws first using our T45 Torx. Tighten these so you can move them. decided approximately where you want them. Then reattach the handlebars. Remember, to have them in the same position on both sides. Now we're using our Allen key. We'll tighten these bolts enough so that the handlebars won't move easily, so we can, but and make sure the risers are also tight. And our job is complete.
Well, thank you for watching this little video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, how about a big thumbs up? And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Ring the bell. I'll notify you when I make the next one. You take care. Have a great day. Shiny side up, rubber side down. Bye-bye.